So I was messing with this, and I figured out that there is actually a couple more things I could do with it. I know I should probably figure all that out before I make the first video and just put it all in one video, but where's the fun in that, right? So I'm going to jiggle it with the tension tool again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this tension tool in sideways like this and get it down around the pins, and that should work. The trick is getting the thing in there around the camera making sure I'm all the way down there in the bottom of the keyway. Which I don't think I am. There we go, we might be now. What else will be slipping off? Okay. I just had to get it. There we go. Alright. I wasn't getting it far enough down into the keyway. So there's that. And also, take this, put it right to the back. There we go. Just give it a little zip, a little jiggle. It'll open right up.